Rock.Paper.Draw.
Are you ready to draw a PinkFong with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by drawing the outline of PinkFong's crown. Here are PinkFong's ears, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth. Now onto the outline of PinkFong's arms, hands, torso, and legs. And here is the star on PinkFong's tummy and chest. And that's the outline done. Now for some color. I'm starting by coloring in the eye with a deep purple color. Now I will use a brown color for the eyebrows and nose. I will use a light pink color for the ears. Here is a yellow color for the crown and star necklace. I will use a dark pink color for the fur of PinkFong. Now I will take my black marker and draw over the outline of PinkFong. How cute! And that's it! I'm all done. Do you like it? Check out my cakey cat from Gabby's Dollhouse. Make sure to subscribe and get in touch with what you would like to see me draw. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.